this water challenge, we have here 100 euro. Okay, Mercy is going to win. If you win, you go with 100 euro. That is, you come and drop water here. If you are the first to drop water and the water drop out for the bottle, you are out. Mercy is going to go with this ajam. So we keep it here. Okay? So who is going to start first? Me? I start first. Okay. I want to go out. I want to win this. Follow you guys. Win this already. I am next. Okay. Next is going to go with the 100 euros. Okay, it's me. Next. Ale. I don't want to go out. Lekule. Oh. We go. It's okay. You want to feel it once. You go out, so you don't want to win money. Who is next?
Me.
Yeah. Hey, you want to feel it once. You out, so who is next? Next, stay line. I want to go with this.
You will smile.
Okay now.
Look.
Next. You want to go out now? Don't feel it. You want to go out. You don't want to win the money. Oh yeah, stay line. Who is next? It's not even job. Take it, it's not shade the table. Hey. Ali, okay. Don't shade the table. Who is next? Who is next? Me. Okay. Who is next? We go. Next.
What can be this?
Come this side.
Out.
You don't even.
Yeah, yes.
You don't even drop.
Mommy, out. Out.
Don't stop shaking the table. Remove your hand there. If you shake it, that means you will replace me. If the water drop.
Mommy,
watching.
it's finished.
No, as I said, now here, you know me. And when it drop on the table, I'll be the one that.
I need a VAR.
You're wasting time.
Don't forget to put like and subscribe.
Who Who is next? Out! Ah! Stop distracting me. Out! Oh yeah, he said, who's next? We go. Look at the table.
Promise. Out. Huh?
You didn't
Ah? Ah?
Life is going to fall it.
No, for that.
No, these are
No.
No.
Mommy, you know.
Come here, stop.
You see it?
No. That one does not.
I am the winner.